Hey friends, welcome back to Yum's Kitchen. Today we're making a cozy vegan baked ziti, made with penne, a classic marinara, and a simple cashew cream swirl. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for easing into the week. We're keeping this simple and comforting. Cooked penne, marinara, a light cashew cream, vegan mozzarella style shreds, and a few pantry staples to tie it all together. We'll start by adding our cooked penne to a baking dish, then pouring over the marinara. Give it a gentle mix so everything gets coated. Now for my little twist, a light swirl of cashew cream. You don't need a lot, just enough to add some creaminess. Then we'll finish it off with vegan mozzarella style shreds right on top. This is the kind of meal that feels familiar, filling, and comforting, without a lot of effort. Perfect for a cozy night in. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.